Yo, what is up, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I hope that sun glare isn't affecting my intro right here. To my nephew's house, he has another mod that he wants to install for his truck. First, I'm going to be hitting up the junkyard. I need a couple things for my daily, which I'm currently in right now, my CRV. Nothing too big, but just some small stuff. Alright, we are here, got my mini tool set. And I'm suited up. No big toolbox today. Alright. My first... Damn, that thing's loud. Ooh. Puddles everywhere. Glad I got boots on. Damn. Let's see. Oh, I might take this. Honestly, and it's four-wheel drive, but it doesn't have the same brackets that I'm looking for. But it has that third brake light. So let's see. Of course, the table's gone. So this is what I need. Let's make sure it works. So how you check is the buttons are good. They have a distinct click to it. So, gonna grab them. Ooh, these are nice too. Wow. Low-key might cop. Low-key. Look how nice these are. Well, let me get this first. Wow. Actually pretty clean, not gonna lie. Holy wow. What a find. What a find. Here's another one. Oh, the cap. But it's cracked. For the windshield fluid. Damn, they ripped the motor to pieces. Ugh. So glad I got boots. What else we got right here? Gotta go to the back though. Alright, so this CRV has what I need, which is this. It's just a Phillips screw. Found another one. These headlights are sick. Looks pretty clean and brand new, but not really the need to get it right now. A Civic. Let's see what's in here. Nada. Oh, whoa. It's a title. I mean, it's another Civic. Since I'm here, might as well. Nada. Empty. See the trunk. Yep. Trash. Alright, just got out the yard. Got me a third brake light. 2 sun visors, because mine's kind of looking janky with the clips. And then this. The interior light. And then my little tool box, Hyper Tough from Walmart, put in work. Picked up the nephew, and guess where we're at? Again. Always.
I'm not buying shit.
Okay, what do we have here? Yep, these tools. Talking to the YouTube video. You didn't need. Did you open it already?
Yeah, it's already open.
Oh. Wow, look at this. AuxBeam. Ooh, you even got the
Stakers.
The stickers for the buttons and stuff. Nash, you got a fuse box?
Yes, sir.
Cool, that's sick.
Oh, this is a... Holy smokies.
Wow, you got all fuses and extra fuse. Boy, that's sick, dude. Very nice.
The panel.
Oh, sick. And then, what else we got here?
We got...
Oh, they gave you these. I brought an extra one, but I'm glad they gave you these.
And then the scissors mounts on the bottom.
But yeah, we're gonna install this switch panel. Where's the actual panel? But yeah, we're gonna install this switch panel. I can't find the actual panel into his truck over there.
So here's how I want it. Well, I'm gonna have my cubes on one. Your cubes. I actually
Into
the hoods. Pop the hoods. Hey, now that tie up.
Here we go.
It took way longer than we expected.
3 hours.
Got
See without the light.
Got that on, and then here's my pods.
There's the pods.
Hi neighbors.
And then
my chase light.
Chase light. This one. Nice. It's not working. Okay.
I saw on your face. I'm like, what the hell?
And everything is tucked in and plugged right here. You got the circuit breaker box, the actual fuse box behind it. It's a little bit loose so you can access it. Everything is plugged in and tucked away. Wired through the 15 amp fuse, the ACC. I'm forgetting what it is because I'm trying to rush this outro to get home because it's 1:30 and I'm probably gonna be home at 2. But anyways, yeah, sorry we didn't get to record the whole thing because we were trying to rush it, but we got it done. And again, just follow this. Pretty easy, right? Again, we didn't really have much time to go over and record each specific part of the wiring process, but luckily enough, AuxBeam, the company, makes this a super easy install. So if this is your first time or you're not too familiar with wiring, honestly, this is one of the easier kits to install. And just by following this diagram that I am showing here, you're pretty much a-okay and be able to install this onto any car and be able to link it with any additional accessories that you have on your car. The thing I will add is buy additional car wiring. I think we use a 12 or 16 gauge. You can get that from your local auto parts store or Walmart, and that'll help you out in installing this because you just need additional wiring for the fuse tap and as well as connecting the circuit breaker to the actual main board. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.